Adding photos to frames inside Canva feels simple once it's understood, but the first few tries can be confusing. Sometimes a photo doesn't snap into the place, or it covers everything instead of fitting neatly inside a frame. This tutorial will work through the right way to do it, step by step. Start by opening a new Canva design. Any size work, a social post, a flyer, or even a presentation slide. What matters is having a blank area to test with. On the left side of the Canva screen, there is a panel with different tabs like Templates, Elements, and Uploads. Select Elements. Inside the Element section, use the search bar and type the word Frames. Canva will show a group of shapes with sky and grass thumbnails inside them. Those are the actual photo frames. These can be circles, rectangles, letters, or creative shapes like clouds and hearts. Pick one frame that looks good and drag it onto the canvas. Once it's there, it works like a container waiting for a photo. Now, the next step is adding an image. There are two main ways to do this. One way is to upload a photo from the computer. To do that, click Upload on the left panel, then choose Upload Files and select the picture. When the upload finishes, drag the image into the frame. Canva will automatically fit it inside. The other way is using Canva's own photo library. Go back to Elements and search for what's needed, such as portrait, city, or flower. Click on the Photos tab right above the results. Now, when a picture is dragged from this area over the frame, watch closely. As the cursor passes over the frame, the image will snap inside. That's how Canva knows to attach it. If a mistake happens and the photo doesn't fit well, double-click inside the frame. The editing box will open, allowing the photo to be moved or resized. Adjust until it looks balanced, then click outside the frame to confirm. To remove a photo from a frame, right-click and select Detach Image. The image will come out and can be replaced elsewhere. Resizing also works easily. Just grab the corners of the frame itself. Both the frame and the image inside scale together. Frames are one of the best ways to keep Canva layouts tidy and professional. They help maintain consistent photo shapes and make designs look aligned without guessing. Once this process becomes familiar, it's possible to build photo grids, social templates, or mockups very quickly. Now, the next design will look cleaner, sharper, and much more intentional, all from mastering a simple Canva frame.